I'm making my delicious salmon niçoise for supper tonight. I love it because it's full of such healthy ingredients. I've got green beans and tomatoes, new potatoes, a lovely soft boiled egg, some salad leaves, olives, and then I'm making a beautiful lemon and Dijon butter dressing. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my fresh salmon fillets on cooking. So I'm getting my frying pan on over a medium to high heat, and then melting my beautiful Kerrygold Irish butter. So I'm seasoning my salmon fillets with sea salt and black pepper on each side. I always do that before I put it onto the pan, so that when I put it onto the pan, it seals in the seasoning. So skin side down first, and my pan is really hot and the butter is melted. You want that sizzle, sizzle, crackle noise. So while my salmon is cooking, I've popped my new potatoes into a little bit of water so they're kind of half steaming. And I'm going to start making my lemon and mustard butter dressing. So I need to get this gorgeous Kerrygold butter on melting. And let me just check the salmon. So what I want is like a lovely crispy side. I usually cook for about 3 minutes on each side depending. It needs another minute and then that'll be ready to turn over. So my butter is melted for my butter lemon Dijon dressing, and I've got my salad bowl, and I always put my dressing into the salad bowl first. So pop in the melted butter, pop in some Dijon mustard to give that gorgeous creamy flavour and a kind of a gorgeous spiciness, and then the lemon. If you don't want to use lemons, you could always use white wine vinegar or cider vinegar too. I love using lemon because it's so good for you. And I'm putting my hand underneath it just to catch any falling pips. And then you just whisk all this together until you get like a lovely creamy emulsion. And then I can chop up my tomatoes into quarters. And next I'm just breaking up all the cos leaves. And then my soft boiled egg. And some gorgeous olives. You can use green or you can use black or you can use a mix of both, which I like to do, whichever you prefer. And then my lovely new potatoes, which I steamed in a little bit of water, and they're still hot, so they're going to absorb all that beautiful lemon and mustard butter dressing. And my French beans that I just cooked in a tiny bit of water as well. So I like to keep them whole like this, but you could chop them up if you want to. But I like the look of the big green beans there. And then just toss this all very gently together. I mean, how healthy does this look? And so fresh and vibrant with colour and flavour. I love it. And the salmon is cooked and it smells and looks delicious. So you want to put in a lovely selection of all the beautiful foods in the salad and just spread them out nicely. Oh, that dressing is so good on it. Yum. And then this beautiful salmon. Oh, it's so gorgeous. You could, of course, make this the traditional way with the tuna as well, with the tuna steak. I love using the salmon as well, though. And so I pop it straight into the middle. And then the last thing I do is get this lovely soft-boiled egg. How good does this look? My delicious salmon niçoise. So simple to make and so bursting with gorgeous healthy flavours. The full recipe is below. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Lots of love.